Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable virtualization technology in Windows 11. Particularly I'm going to be using HP laptop. So stay with me. Open your browser and type how to enable virtualization technology in Windows 11. Scroll down until you see enable virtualization on Windows. Make sure you select the one that is Microsoft support, as you can see on the screen here. It will take you to this screen, enable virtualization on Windows. I want you to scroll down until you see these three options. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to show you how to enable this feature using option 2. So expand option 2. Scroll down until you see the model of your laptop. In my case, I'm using HP laptop. If you have not already done so at this point, I want you to shut down your computer. Wait for a couple of minutes after it's already shut down. I want you to power it back on. After you press the on button, I want you to start pressing the F10 key repeatedly until you see the HP computer setup. On this setup screen, I want you to select the Advanced tab. On the Advanced tab, click or select System Options. Scroll down until you see Virtualization Technology, VTX. If it is not already checked, check the box. Press F10 to save your changes. Scroll to Yes, Save Changes and hit Enter. At this point, virtualization has been enabled on your laptop and you should be good to go. Remember to like and subscribe. Thank you.